What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up a squeeze page that gets opt-ins. Okay. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is you want to keep it simple. Okay. Keep it simple. Take a look at this squeeze page here. This squeeze page here, I get anywhere from 40 to 55% opt-in rate when I do different ads. And that's pretty good. And the reason that it gets such good opt-in rates is because I keep it simple. Okay. And the other thing that I do is, I promise a lot. I promise that they're going to get, this video that's going to reveal this big secret. And I also ask for very little in return. And that's a big thing. And it's a trend that's really happening around the internet marketing niche lately is you're asking for very little information, okay? A lot of times you won't even be asking for a first or last name. All you're asking for is their email address. And when you do that, you're going to get a little bit better response. And you also want to make people feel secure. Now, this can be done in several different ways. And I found one of the easiest ways to make people feel secure is this little link down here that says we respect your email privacy. That comes from Aweber, my autoresponder service that I use. And just by having that little bit, people feel secure that they're not going to get spammed and, their email isn't going to get shared with everyone in the world out there. Now, the other thing that I have to say, and this has to go with keeping it simple, is remember you are not trying to make the sale. Too often I see squeeze pages that really they're trying to make the sale and they're giving away far too much information. You aren't trying to make a sale. All you're trying to do is get them to enter in their email address and click the submit button. Okay, and as you can see with this squeeze page, I'm promising them a free 3-minute video that reveals these underground money-sucking secrets, okay, gurus forget to mention in their $997 courses. And all you need to do is enter your email address to get free access. And when you keep it simple, okay, promise a lot and ask for very little, you're going to get good opt-in rates.